I don't dey ask myself, too much problem dey this country. Too much problem dey this country. Too much. And then I dey talk to one of my oga, dey ask and say, wetin you think say be the solution to our problems? The problems too much. Wetin you think say be the solution to our problems? He talk say na make them write our constitution. Say na our constitution be the problem wey Nigerians dey face. Once constitution they don rewrite am first, they can start to dey implement am. Once they rewrite am, they can start to dey implement am. Say na him be the first thing wey they need to do. Why some people feel differently? Some people say no, make we tackle corruption. Some people say no, first thing first, na make we get employment. Some people say no, first thing first, make we get light. Some people say no, first thing first, make we do road so that people where they do business go feed the worker, go do. So the list dey endless. It dey endless. But then you where they hear me now, wetin you think say na him be the first thing first, what we need to do to fit take make this country better place? Don't forget, say when some people dey for power, then they do like say they don't become God. So even some of those laws themselves, they no go fit, they know they even answer. Sometimes you go see some police motor where they beat traffic light. You go the one that say where these police people they go. Not say then they go anywhere. They just want to go park for front. We know they anything for sense of I know just know. So my question to you this morning, you where did there where they hear me? Waiting be that things them first, because it's possible say people where they not even know the one where they supposed even do first. So then feel they do everything together. You where they there where they hear me? You where be Nigerian person? You where they rep 234 plus 234 9 you they rep. Green white green 9 you they rep. Waiting be that first thing where you think say we need to do to fit take sure say okay we don't they move this country go front. Waiting be that one thing where be say if government even just do now, it means say then they for the right line. Waiting be that one thing.
Mr. Yo.
Good morning, yes.
Yeah, first I caller. I'll be calling for the take. I want to first I caller, please.
Oh, thank you so much. I just greet you, say good morning. You know they answer me too.
Okay, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
I call it from Ikotu.
From Ikotu, what's your name?
Cyril is my name. Cyril is my name.
Cyril. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yeah.
quickly. What's that one thing?
We know what we want.
Yeah.
We need first of all to tell the truth.
To tell the truth.
Yes, to tell the truth until we start to tell each other the truth for this country. It will not better.
But we dey lie to ourselves.
Before go. Yes.
Wow.
We need to tell each other the truth. God, mark my name. I say I'm from Edo State. He said take my name.
Okay.
You know what I tell you?
Yeah, why?
You know where Jesus Christ asked Jesus Christ say, "Are you the king of the Jews?"
Yes.
You know Jesus Christ. What Jesus reply?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Okay, now. Huh?
Yes, I know what in reply. Yes.
Okay, when he reply, what the Pilate asked Jesus, Jesus Christ asked Jesus Christ, say, what is that? Jesus Christ says the truth. He said, what is truth? That's where we are now for this world now. We not up to the have to be tell each other the truth. We cannot move forward.
Until then, tell the truth. Thank you so much, Mr. Cyril. Somebody sent me one message here, just like waiting Mr. Cyril talk. You see, Oga, for me, one thing government will do is to be sincere. Is for us to be sincere to ourselves. Somebody say we need work and light. That's what they feel. That's what he feels. Who did the phone line there?
Hello, Ogayo. Good morning.
I greet you so much, ma'am.
That's Juliet from Maja.
Yo.
Well done. No.
Juju, how you doing?
I'm fine. Are you?
I did fine.
Well done, sir.
All right.
Ogayo. Our leaders in the government, they should accept that they have failed us. Let them come down from that seat. Until when all of them come down, let new fresh people take over the economy of this country. Then things go better.
How you take the shot say the new person? How you
And
take make sure say the new person?
Oga,
Because now the same people we go meet for House of Rep, House of Assembly. Now the same people they local governments. Now the same people.
APC and PDP, they should not rule again. Let us scrape that APC and PDP and let those that were there should not contest again.
But those are just ordinary party. Na party, no be human being, no be about PDP or APC.
Beings, all of them should just come down. Let all of them leave that place because we are complaining and they are not hearing it. Things go better in this country. Well done.
Thank you, Juliet.
Dayo.
I greet you. Who they talk?
Augusta from Igondo.
Augusta from Igondo. I greet you this morning.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not be Wetin you want to say. PDP, APC, all of them are still one person. If they decamp for APC, they go still go PDP. If you see this 23 election where they come to Gayo, only God go feel prepared where go rule us because this our leader. They don't care of us. Imagine now we know they see they eat again. They see they protest. They go say 2023 election. They don't even care. What that person go chop or he no go chop. How much your bag of rice? Bottle of 4 years now. Red oil, they go 1,000 naira.
I know all those ones. Rice things don't cost.
Yes, now what did they come they protest for? What did they want vote for?
No.
What did they come down?
Wait.
All of them step down.
Make all of them step down. Now ain't go solve the problem.
If not, now you go solve the problem. Then you
But human beings
enter.
go still enter. You know who that new person go be?
God go touch the new person. No,
God go touch the new person. God touch these people wey enter.
God will not touch you. If God touch them, they're not going to treat us like this.
You think so? God touch them.
Yes, because when you make me the talk and say change, just they call say this our Nigerians, our youth, they don't they get sense. See this previous election wey pass so. Like my area, many people not turn up. They complain say people not turn up. You they deceive? You they deceive every day. They don't they deceive after what they fuck two times. This election, many people not turn up. So my God go prepare to go rule on that 2020. More of the just they do their own. Yes. So,
all right.
God,
thank you.
You be you wey go rule us.
Eh? No.
Yes,
no. Muna leave me. I beg. I don't
now you go rule us 2033. They want that.
Lie. Eh? Muna lie. Me. I know I can't get my freedom as I take the waka freely. I greet you. Good morning. Who they talk? Morning.
Not because go from heaven, come change something.
Thank you. Hey, madam, you know off your radio. Are they hear feedback?
I know they don't come out.
Okay.
No, all of us go carry our PVC. No, come out, come vote. And when we vote, we stand there. Maybe when they vote, we go to the market or stay for us, they play Lido. See, me, what I want me to say, now, NEPA, let they give us light. Steady light, I beg.
Make them give us steady light. Everybody go feel sort out themselves.
We go struggle for ourselves.
All right. Thank you so much. Okay. Somebody say so many. Snoop from First Tag talk say first is making the uniform people to understand their duties. No, I know they talk say I just find just one thing. But if you say na uniform people get wahala. Making uniform people to understand their duties. And then he talks the police is doing what FIRSC supposed to do. Imagine a Navy personnel doesn't know how to swim and he works where water is involved. A doctor becomes Minister of Agriculture. That's why they ask, say, Constitution, feel saying our Constitution we need to change. Because if most of these things they inside the Constitution, nobody go against them. And not be just the Constitution. Now make them also abide by waiting them put down inside the Constitution. So they ask simple question. Wait me that thing where you think say we need to do first to make this country make it feel work. Yo. Government need to reduce all their salaries to 250K. Imagine a bank manager. Doctors with PhD is collecting less than politicians who have only school certificates. Now, be truth. Now, send me that particular message. Okay. Different people. This one talk say, the only thing that will make this our country, Nigeria, better is for them to be rotating the governors every 1.5 years. Let Borno governor go and govern Abia. Really? Govern Abia State and Abia governor go and govern Borno. I swear you will see massive change. Chief from Ajawa State. Indo, you dey think am? Because I dey try reason am. Judge from Ikotun. Our leaders never rule with truth. Greed, political criminality is their program. Tribalism, nepotism from the government to the citizens. Government must take everybody as one and important to the country. If not, we are going nowhere.
Hello, yeah.
I greet you.
Good morning, Smell.
Morning.
This topic will please come. I like it well.
Yeah.
See, the problem we get for Nigeria is bad leadership.
Bad leadership.
Yes, that's from Nigeria not get luck to get good leadership. That's from independence. That's from independence up to this present power. What is to use so we get bad leadership. That's what we are suffering in this country.
Bad leadership.
Nigeria does not need to suffer. We don't want to suffer for this country. It's not a bad leadership. What are they doing? How in Nigeria somebody will take politics as still our occupation? What's occupation? Our politician is that our bitch? How much do they collect for Phillips and National Assembly? What are they doing here?
So your own one word now, make them do Wetin now.
No, they come out there. No, they scrap them.
So who go drop from heaven to come dey there now?
No. So yeah. In Nigeria today, we have competent people.
Yeah, competent people, but if you surround competent people with people who know they're incompetent, what will happen to that competent person?
No, because
if the system they wrong, how you think say that competent person won't take work?
Yes, no.
Even go for ministry. If then they give bribe, they collect bribe. For ministry or anywhere, if then they collect bribe, before you know, then go pursue you, then go come out you from the system.
Yes. That's why corruption. Not the everything for Nigeria.
That's what I'm saying. I'm just giving an example with corruption. Even ordinary for school, if you be lecturer, where they say if you be student where they overdo, even for fellow student, your fellow classmates go plan bad for you. Not be even if you be
too hard. Very big question. And you get
so our problem plenty, too big.
But first of all, politicians are our major problem for this country. We don't have
our major problem. All right.
Politicians be the big problem for this country. Politicians, they are big problem in this Nigeria.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Politicians, don't forget, say nobody go come from heaven. Then they always talk and say, when you give person money, now that time you go, when person make money, now that time you go see the person true character. Just tell me, that one thing where you think say we just need to do to get them right for this country. Yeah, who did the phone line there?
Hello, yo.
I greet you, my brother.
How you doing?
Are they fine? Who they talk?
Caller Newman.
Caller, okay, caller, how you doing?
Newman. Caller
Newman, well done.
Yeah. My brother, you know what happened?
Yeah.
You see this Nigeria where we dey?
Yeah.
We no get system at all.
We no get system.
You understand?
Yeah.
I think give you instance of what's happening in my community. You know, they elected by the chairman there.
Yeah.
I said I don't want to do the time of week that I'll be the person to do it. I said okay, accept it. But do you know that the person that retired from the chairman, the last chairman, did not do anything. He was just taking money. So when I came, I started working. I started giving my community life. Any kobo, I don't even touch their money. I don't handle them. I don't collect money. But I'll give you, okay, go and collect some money from the treasurer. Make sure you sign. Go and do this job. You know, the people there, some people said, the person that retired later started attacking me because I'm an Igbo man.
Oh.
You understand? So the other Igbo people started, say, why should an Igbo man come here and started working and started doing all these things? And I told them, am I not working? They said I'm working, but I'm not giving them a chance to eat. I said, I can't do that. I said, I cannot. And my brother will not be small. Spiritually, they started fighting me off. I nearly lost my life, if not for God. So at times, you want to do something from your mind, but people around you will not want you to do it.
That's exactly Wetin at the talk. When people they say no, make them step down, make good person
no,
go
it's
there.
Not the stepping down is the issue. It's not the stepping down.
Make good person go there. good person go reach there if you surround yourself with bad people. Know how where that
Now,
good
wahala.
person go take walk.
He cannot do anything. They fit kill am. If not for God, my brother, for my community, they don't kill you. We were making money. Money was coming out, and we are doing something with the money. There's no street that did not give light. There's no government that did not do. You know, but
Which area be this? Which area be this?
Ayetoro.
Ayetoro.
Yes.
Hmm.
Through Ayobo.
Through Ayobo. Yes, I know Ayetoro.
These people started. It's not God to my brother. So I said, okay, I'm no more doing.
You just leave am.
They came to my
Oh,
house. I must do it. I say I don't do again. Not be by force.
just
So
imagine.
there must be a system. There must be a system. My brother, Nigeria, we don't have system at all. The constitution is wrong. Let them cancel it, bring out another one. If you step on, if you do anything, you go to jail. You do this, you steal 10 kobo, you go, even 20 kobo, you go to jail. That's the only thing that will be okay in Nigeria. Let them bring out the system. We don't have system at all. In America, America has system. If you are coming in, they know that you are coming in. Where you are staying, they know where you are staying. Whatever you are doing, they know what you are doing. But here, anybody comes in and go out anytime.
We not even get census, my brother. We know which time they do census last. It don't pass 20 years. So they just the estimate. Meanwhile, constitution say na 10 years we need to dey count. We never count now. More than 20 years, they never count. Census, we don't even know how many where we be.
Where we be? People will come out from east, left, and right, enter Nigeria. You don't know who they are. No system, no data, nothing. If Nigeria cannot work, you say people are eating. Bring out the system when they know that you do this thing, it's wrong. You'll be health responsible. Nigeria is too much. It's getting out of hand.
It's getting
Security
out
is
of
there.
hand.
Nothing is happening.
Thank you so much, my brother.
God bless you, yo.
My brother, we know if you talk and finish. Who there the phone line there?
Hello, Gayo.
Yes, I greet you.
Well done, I greet you.
Yes, I greet you. Who they talk?
My name is Itemi.
Ibe.
Itemi.
Temi.
Yeah.
Okay, well done.
You, sorry for me to say, you know what Ghana don't do before for this for their country.
Yeah.
Now the best thing to do for this country.
Which one? Wetin Rollins do?
When they wipe away their bad leaders come out.
Okay.
That's the best thing for this country. And this to make them change the constitution, make them change everything. If not, this country only God will help us. Yeah.
Only God go help us. Thank you. Who there the phone line there?
Okay, yo.
I greet you, yeah. Well done. Oh.
Nigerians,
Well done.
thank you, sir. Okay, yo. You see what that man talk before this last caller?
Mm.
Make them change the constitution. The one where they know they follow. Make them don't scatter am. Make them bring another one. If now you dey in charge of to stand here, you can't stand at me. Now this is your, they go take for you. You see money loss, they give you money, give you loss. They go hold you responsible. They go kill you, or they go jail you. They go do this. When we do that one, everything will change.
You sure say even easy to jail abi to do whatever. No forget say before you know some religious people go come and say that because the man na from their religion. Another person go come and say na because na their tribe. So that's why. Another person go come and say, oh, come on.
Na me with you. If they change the constitution, all of us stand. Na the thing be that. You understand? This one religion now, you know, say them don't even dey come. Right? Everybody eye don dey open now. Everybody don dey see everything. Once they change that constitution, you this money, carry Nigeria money, go keep another place. Or you they don't carry you be that. Other countries, I don't know. Una dey try you. God bless you for me.
Thank you so much. Honestly, because before you know wetin dey happen, some religious people go come out now and talk say na their religion. That's why you won't do them this thing. Before you know, them go say na their tribe. That's why you won't do them like this. Before you know, what? Hi. Me, we are not even the government safe. I dey tire self for the whole thing. So I can't imagine people waiting for government, waiting in the face. I dey tell you true. If the system they corrupt, if the system they bad, yeah. even you wey be good person, if you dey there, you no go fit work because dem go frustrate you. I know one of my colleague wey dey work. I no wan say the state where the person dey work. As he first come, he come from Obodo Oyibo. He come, then go dey share money, share this, share that. If they say you know they collect, you know they gree collect. Say no they collect.
Ew.
Say what for? What did I do that you are giving me money? What did I do that you are sharing money and giving to me? That's why they talk.
That was then.
No, in later
Even up to now?
he come out for the he come out for the work. He go back abroad. Safe. He relocate back because in first day private this thing. The stress of the work, wanting. He can't say make him enter government own. When he can't enter government own, when he can't see this level, he just come out. He go back abroad. He go back. He say no fit cope. Because when them read that, he said the kind of frustration where then they frustrate them for place of work. So he just need to just step aside. You know what Tiapo be say? In system for office, no they two work. He begin carrying his own personal system. They go. Then they laugh him.
As they laugh so.
Then they laugh him, say you they bring your own laptop come. He say no, because the job needs to be done.
No.
He resign at the end, sha. He resign, go back. He say no fit stay.